While people are still talking about whether AI will threaten human survival, the progress of AI automated equipment has become irresistible. A revolution that is revolutionizing manufacturing is underway, quiet. And you may not be unaware of it yet. Artificial intelligence is already around you and will soon exceed your imagination. Solving simple basic repetitive work and reducing the physical labor burden of employees. This function of automated production equipment has become the thing of the past. Before the arrival of artificial intelligence technology, this modern technology seems to have provided a lot of convenience for humans. But AI automation equipment can do much more than that. The ambition of artificial intelligence goes far beyond just solving the problem of repetitive labor. Those difficult tasks that are not easy to be copied are also what AI is trying to take over, including polishing, cutting, grinding, deburring, or another precise mechanical task. Only learning robots can handle these tasks. Ordinary robots need to write fixed programs to allow them to complete design actions, such as attaching label and screwing on bottle cap in fixing workstations. This kind of mechanical program can be replaced by algorithms. Learning robots do not need traditional programming. They need to learn how to make a product by themselves, make mistakes, and select data by themselves. You do not need to tell it the detail and step of the work. You only need to tell it what result you want. It does the entire process on its own and knows better than you what mistake to avoid. When you want to complete the production of other products, you do not need to buy the new machine, but let it relearn the production process of another product. Less programming is no longer necessary, which greatly reduces the role of the software engineers. Robots and coppers can learn and take over the execution of nonlinear processors that are not easy copy. Multi-arm special robots that can decide on their own which arm to perform which action. What enables automation equipment to evolve to this extent? Industry generate large amount of production data every day. For example, the process of making goods, predictable reason for products failure of behavior can be collected and compiled into data to build AI models. The neural network of human brain inspire artificial intelligence. Each node is also called artificial neuron and has associated weights and thresholds. If the output of any single node is above the special threshold, then the node is activated and the data is sent to the next layer of network. Based on this principle, artificial intelligence learning methods can be divided into the following three types. Its algorithms usually have the following 5 types. Enterprises can use it to improve production or operational efficiency. The most important thing is to provide a very accurate and unbiased training dataset. Otherwise, AI learning that keeps making mistakes will only consume a lot of resources and money, and will also make a business owner lose confidence to keep it going. An amazing fact is that the machine can program themselves through learning. If you wanted to learn a job, you may need a worker to pick up the robot's arm, teach it to complete various steps and process possession, pick it up or pick it down. The machine can even self-correct through its own algorithm, completing better work results and more efficiently than workers, and can work for extremely long hours without need for vacations. With the help of machine learning, multi-arm special robots do not need to be programmed to set their movements. They can decide the position and direction of their robotic arm and complete their work autonomously. If there is a problem with the settings, the robot will lose control and it will be really dangerous for humans. Manufacturing is likely to be an area to benefit and most from artificial intelligence. Manufacturers around the world are rating their brand to use AI to bring them more benefits. It is estimated that the manufacturing industry generates about 1,812 PB of data every year. A large amount of data do not bring convenience to enterprises, but make their extraction more and more difficult and slow. This is also the suitable time for the explosion of AI technology. This phenomenon does not only exist in the manufacturing industry but also in all walks of the life. When you are learning from a very senior technical worker experience, and he is serious about correcting your mistakes and teaching you new skills. He may not be a real person, but the person provided by smarter AI glasses in the industrial environment training program. Experienced employees can provide on-site guidance to multiple new employees at the same time without having to go to the site. Many automated equipment factories are facing the problem of increasingly low profit and difficult in survival. Either this is an opportunity to transform to AI, or is to think more about when machines can learn skills by themselves and decide where to swing their arms, where it's bring any threat to us.